Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Az and today we're diving into the DJI Osmo Action 6. Make sure to hit that like button and let's jump right in. Let's be honest, not everyone's a pro with a studio and a pile of cameras. I've just got my DJI Action camera and my Samsung S24 FE and that's enough. I work full time with long hours, so I need my setup to be quick, simple and zero faff. And this one is the enhanced combo. So the adventure combo, you get 3 batteries. This one you only get 2 and you don't get the curved mount for your helmet. So we have now moved over to the kitchen and I'm just going to show you everything that I use. So that's the Telesin neck mount, DJI battery that came with it, the mic mini, and I got this off Amazon. It's just a little case. Basically keep this inside and any other camera pieces that I use. And that is it, a minimalist setup. I will now switch over to the Action 6. Oh yeah, and these tripod feet that I got from Amazon. I mean, because it's pretty good. Yeah, so I will now switch over to the DJI Action 6 with the mic mini. We are now shooting on the DJI Action 6 and let's see how it looks. I'll set the texture and the noise reduction to -2 and bitrate to high, and it's filming in D-Log. Let's get a shot of Bubbles, see how good she looks on camera. She's resting in her, what's it called this? In her cat tree. Spoiled, isn't she? Quick shot of outside, even though it's freezing today, very cold. But yeah, let's see how this looks. And the variable aperture is set to auto. At the minute it's currently on 2.8 from what I can see on the screen. Right, so I'm in the garden now and then the texture is -1 and noise reduction is -2. As you can see, it is cold. We've got frost on the ground. It is a cold, fresh morning. It's currently 10:10, but I'm working nights tonight, so I thought I'd get this shot. But we're on 4K Rocksteady, and we're on the 1/1 inch sensor, and we're just going to try this out to see how it looks. And again, the noise reduction is -2 and texture is -1. And these are my usual settings that I usually use, so I want to see how it looks. Morning.
Morning.
Yeah, and if you want plain, simple and easy to use footage, then yeah, just use this. Simple, easy and ready to go. And like I said, the square sensor, so you can crop it vertical, horizontal, whichever way you want. This is my usual pathway for a ride. It's cold outside. Hands are starting to go a bit freezing now, numb. This is 4K 30 rock steady on with the 1-inch open gate. How does that look? This is super night mode. How does that look? Let's have a quick chat about the Action 6. So I'm currently filming on it. It's set in auto, -1 texture, -2 for noise reduction, and this time I've turned the Pro mode off and I've left it on filter. So I'm using a cinematic look, see how it looks. And my favourite thing I'm going to say about this camera is the square sensor. I can record portrait and landscape all in one shot. And let's have a look at this filter that I'm using. One more other thing as well is a lot of the reviewers online, obviously they're getting paid promotions, they're doing heavy color grading, so it looks the best of the best. Whereas I'm recording footage now for everyday people, normal day scenarios, out in natural sunlight, no heavy color grading. I'm recording in D-Log-M, and all I'm using is the downloadable DJI LUT from their website, adding it onto my clip, and that is it, nothing else. There is no color grading involved. We're just going to try 2 shots now, side by side. So this is obviously in Pro mode with the 1/1 aspect ratio and 4K 30. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and say bye to Bubbles.